Hey guys, it's Becca, and I finally bit the bullet and subscribed to Cottoncuts. Today we're going to open my very first Cottoncuts box, but before we do, I want to share with you the information that I gave to Cottoncuts, and we'll open the box and see how they did at selecting fabric for me. The unique thing about their box is the fabric inside is curated just for you. They do this by asking you a series of questions when you sign up that help direct them towards fabrics they think you might like. The answers I gave them when I signed up told them my quilting style was a little bit of everything, that I like to sew a little bit of everything. I asked for the half-yard cuts. I preferred that they do not send me juvenile or children designer fabric, that I would prefer to receive fabrics that are from a variety of colorways. And then she said that she had also noted a great list of designers that they will happily work with. Thank you for this information. So in the comments section, I typed out a list of some of my favorite fabric designers to help my curator really kind of hone in on what my style is. A couple days before my package was set to be mailed, I did get this email from Sue kind of summarizing what I had already shared and asking for any edits or last minute information I wanted to pass along. And at that time, I just told her that I really wasn't a big Tula Pink or Cave Facet fan, and so if there's any fabric by either of them or reminiscent of their design theory, I would rather leave it on the shelf. Now I know some of you are huge Tula Pink and Cave Facet fans. No love lost. I just would prefer to leave the yardage on the shelf for you. Let's dig in. So first up, inside each box is what they call a lanyap. It's a freebie, and this month my freebie was 3 lint chocolates. I love those. I also got this sticker. I got 2 stickers with the Cottoncuts logo on them. I got a little card that has instructions on the back for a free pattern I can download to use my fabric with. And I got the Block of the Month card. It gives you what the block of the month is for the CC Color Challenge. And on the back is a coloring sheet. If I color this in, post it to social media with that hashtag, I have a chance of winning 2 yards of fabric. And the designer spotlight this month is Christy Dawn. This is the card telling me what's inside. Looks like Val curated my box. So thank you, Val. All right, let's look at the fabric because that's what you really care about. Okay, this is fabric number 1. It is from My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake, and the fabric line is called Blush. I love the fabric on here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a rose gold metallic on here with the like a blushy pink against a dark blue background. I love this print. Fabric number 2 is also from that blush line by My Mind's Eye, and it again has that kind of rose gold metallic accent there. It's got what looks like little cherry blossoms, some daisies, and it's against the pink background with a dark blue print on top of it. Fabric number 3 is a coordinating print from Blush by My Mind's Eye, and this too has the rose gold metallic accents mixed with the white, the blush pink, and that dark blue. Fabric number 4 is technically a children's and juvenile fabric. This is from the Perfect Day line by Naomi Wilkinson, and I know this because on the card that Val sent me, it says the line for juvenile and children's is Perfect Day by Naomi Wilkinson, and when I open up the salvage on this fabric, that's exactly what's printed there. I'm not terribly upset with that though. I actually don't mind this as a blender, and I think having this fabric in my box just shows the personal attention that's paid to my box. They knew I didn't want juvenile or children's fabric, but we're pretty sure that I might be okay with the blender, and they got that right. I actually don't mind this as a blender. I may not have picked it myself, but that pink could work well with that blush line. Fabric number 5 is from the Simple Goodies line by Tasha Noel for Riley Blake. And finally, fabric number 6 is also from the Simple Goodies line by Tasha Noel for Riley Blake. Okay guys, that's my February 2019 half-yard bundle from Cottoncuts. All in all, I gotta say for my first box from them, I'm quite pleased. Overall, I think Sue and Vel both did an excellent job hand picking fabrics for me. I'm excited to see what Cottoncuts has for me in March, and I would highly recommend them to you if you wanted to give them a try. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of how Val and Sue did putting my box together based on the information they had. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel on your way out. I'll see you later.